What a game, bhai. What a game. I absolutely enjoyed thoroughly the whole game. After a long time, भाई सिटी का परफॉर्मेंस देख के मजा आ गया. आई मीन पेप कुक्ड ब्रो, पेप कुक्ड, कंप्लीटली कुक्ड. एंड मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि गेम प्लान ऐसा होगा कि एडी हाउ मिड गेम विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व ऑल द इश्यूज. एडी हाउ थॉट कि भाई हम लोग आर्सेनल है, हम लोग बैठा रहेंगे, कंट्रोल करेंगे गेम को, बिकॉज वी वर लीडिंग 2-0 फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट हाफ, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट लेग. तो ऑब्वियसली भाई मन में इतना सुकून आया कि पेप literally played the game to score goals and extend their lead instead of controlling the whole game. I loved the fact कि भाई he didn't give Haaland a chance to play, a chance to start the game. Marmoush started. I loved the fact कि Marmoush and Semenyo were the two strikers up front. They were the two attackers. Foden played very deep. At times right half space में, left half space में, trying to link up with Marmoush, Semenyo, coming in deep to get the ball. Reinders was sublime भाई. Reinders at times was playing as a number 10 भाई. न्यूकासल का प्लान बैकफायर्ड. वो लोग इतना रिस्की गेम प्लान लेके आए कि भाई वी गॉट सो मच स्पेस टू अब्यूज इट, यूज इट टू आवर एडवांटेज. वी एक्सप्लॉइटेड दैट स्पेस दैट न्यूकासल गेव अस. लाइक न्यूकासल ने प्रॉपर गलती किया है. एडी हाउ गॉट द होल प्लान रॉन्ग एंड everybody in our team did their job. I think standout performance obviously Reinders था. I know Marmoush को मिला man of the match, but I think for me it was Reinders because Reinders could do anything. He could carry the ball. इतना space था. He could carry the ball, pass it to Marmoush, Semenyo. He could do absolutely everything. He could shoot. Foden in the first 15 minutes was very good. It was the Foden that we are used to. But then धीरे he kind of fumbled. I feel like James Trafford kept us in the match. I feel like James Trafford ने बढ़िया खेला है. He saved us against Willock once. Corners में he jumped, dived, caught the ball, commanding that penalty area. James Trafford was amazing. भाई ball distribution बंदे का भाई. At times I was like ball दे दे भाई, ball दे दे. Don't take risks. But he was very good on the ball. There were passes which were very good. मतलब he was calculating, he was waiting for the right pass, and 9 out of 10 times his ball distribution was on point. So overall, everybody had a decent game. I thought Ake had a decent game. Obviously, Gehi can't play according to the Carabao Cup rules. He can't play. He can't even play the finals, by. Absolute shame. But जो भी है, I feel like Kusanov was amazing. न्यूकासल के बारे में बात करूँ तो आई थिंक न्यूकासल में गॉर्डन वाज अ कांस्टेंट थ्रेट. भाई वो राइट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, थ्रू द मिडिल, we couldn't keep up with him at one point. He got injured, obviously, unfortunately, bhai. I hope he recovers soon. And Harvey Barnes came on to replace
जेम्स क्राफर्ड बोल रहा हूँ, टू रिप्लेस
Anthony Gordon. I feel like Newcastle का जो plan था to play exactly like Chelsea, playing with wingbacks Lewis Hall and Trippier on the ball. Both of them are very good. But off the ball, I feel like Trippier बहुत lack करता है वो defensive awareness, and defensively, I feel like he's not that good anymore. He couldn't keep up with Marmoush. He couldn't keep up with Foden. And we were lucky, bhai. We were lucky. We were lucky कि Joelinton, Guimaraes, these players who are off the ball are very, very good. And defensively बहुत help करता है Newcastle को. They were injured. So I'm very happy कि we got lucky. But we used it to our advantage. हम लोग back passes नहीं खेले. We were just trying to score goals. Even though we were leading and probably the match was over पहले 6 मिनट में, we were still trying. The only bright side of Newcastle was Elanga bhai. Elanga ka goal was phenomenal. I thought that goal was amazing bhai. He took on 2, 3, 4 players and finishing bhi बढ़िया था. I think that is the Elanga we know from Nottingham. I feel like last 3-4 matches में Semenyo obviously goal score कर रहा है. He's very clinical. But what we know of Semenyo, he can dribble, he can take his man on, he can win 1v1 duels. I think last 2-3 matches में we are not getting to see that side of Semenyo. I feel like वो बहुत safe खेल रहा है at times. But obviously, I can't complain by he's scoring goals for us, but he needs to do more. He needs to take on his man. I feel like Semenyo left hand side में ज़्यादा impressive है to me, but obviously left hand side में Pep prefers Doku. Obviously Doku is injured now, but right hand side में when Doku is playing, Semenyo will play on the right hand side. So I feel like overall the game was absolutely brilliant for us, but we can't let this get to our head. I think Pep cooked with his plan yesterday, but we need to focus on Liverpool, bhai. We need to focus on Liverpool. We need to get our heads right because हम लोग के टीम में experienced players है नहीं अभी. Rodri is not fully fit. He's still playing, but Rodri is a little pragmatic at times. I feel like Nico Gonzalez is more direct. I know Rodri tries to play it a little safe, but Ruben Dias, Bernardo Silva, I don't think these players are going to start Liverpool wala match. Bernardo Silva is injured, so I don't know how much he's going to play the Liverpool wala match. Ruben Dias probably will start, but still we don't know. So I don't know what is going to happen in the Liverpool wala match, but all I can say is we need to take this win as a momentum boost for us and perform in the next 14 games in the Premier League. I think the only person who can turn City around is Pep Guardiola. I need Pep Guardiola to kind of forget about possession because हम लोग के टीम में वैसे टाइप का players नहीं है. They still haven't adapted to the system yet. They can't keep the ball and can't be patient enough like the previous City teams. I need Pep to just use the qualities that the player already has and make a game plan out of it. I feel like Pep का जो plans होता है, these players are not being able to execute it fully. Maybe in the future, maybe. And that also depends if Pep is going to stay because अभी तो rumors आ रहा है कि Pep might not stay next year. Who knows? Next season. I don't know. I don't know. But if he stays, maybe in the future these players will be able to execute all the plans जो Pep दे रहा है. But for now, I think Pep should make plans according to the qualities of the players. Second half उतना अच्छा नहीं था. And I don't want to talk about second half because I think the game was done. And second half में उतना intensity नहीं था जितना first half में था. I think Max Allen is still not ready to play week in week out for City because वो बहुत गलतियाँ करता है. I think Newcastle का दिन नहीं था. I think Newcastle has a lot of problems now and they got battered by Arsenal कुछ दिन पहले. I feel like Newcastle has a lot of thinking to do. I think Eddie Howe has a lot of thinking to do. I'm happy कि at least we won the game and we won it nicely. I'm unhappy कि clean sheet नहीं हुआ. James Trafford was so good. I felt like clean sheet होना चाहिए था, but obviously defense didn't help much. I am very happy. I'm very happy about the game. That is it for the video, भाई. Weekend में बहुत सारे matches है and big matches and I still think title race is on. And the only person who can change it is Pep Guardiola. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Be a part of this wonderful community that we are building. Like कर दो and I'll see you very, very, very soon. Bye bye.